We guide you through how to share your Discord profile link so people can easily add or follow you. First thing you need to do is to open your Discord and tap your profile picture to access your user settings. Scroll down until you see Share Profile or Copy Profile Link. This option is available on both mobile and desktop. Once you tap it, Discord will automatically generate your unique profile link. From here, you can paste it into messages, send it through social media, or drop it in a group chat so others can view your profile instantly. If you want to customize your profile before sharing, you can update your bio, banner, and profile picture so everything looks clean and professional. You can also adjust your privacy settings to control who can add you or send friend requests. After copying your link, just share it anywhere you want, and anyone who clicks it will be directed straight to your Discord profile. It's the easiest way to connect with friends, communities, or new members outside Discord.